Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychuck with Queen Bee Creations and you are joining me for 30 days of Christmas ornaments. Today's ornament was really inspired by a thrifted bag of ornaments. So I got this huge bag of all of these kind of spiky icicle kind of ornaments, these plastic ones. And I figured that we could turn these into a different kind of ornament. Now it's going to be a larger one, but sometimes when you've got the big trees and the big outside trees, you need something larger. Now there's nothing wrong with these as they are, but we're just going to switch them up. We're going to do something else with them. So I'm going to dig out a bunch of them. I'm going to bring you in a little closer so you can see what we're doing, but this is going to be very kind of fast and easy, and that's the way I like them. Now, these are not glass. They happen to be plastic, and they're not quite hollow plastic. So it does mean that I can take some nippers, and you just have to kind of rotate them. You can see that this is already bending. So I'm just kind of rotating it around a circle. I'm just kind of squishing it. You can see here that it's all kind of squished. And I'm cutting it off so that I can get 2 of these per icicle. So I'm getting rid of that center knob. There we go. And I'm just kind of rotating it around, one, because I find it easier to cut it, but also then I get kind of a flatter space to cut that off. So I just have a number of these to do, and I'm going to separate them out maybe a little bit by color, just so I have a little bit of continuity here. And then we'll be back and I'll show you what we're going to do with them. All right, I have some cut up. I don't want to cut up more than I need, and I'm not sure how many I need for this. I am starting with a glitter ball. One, because I think the hot glue will stick easier to this, and also because I'm not going to be covering 100% of the surface, so I want whatever surface is uncovered to be seen and be decorative too. This is dead easy from here. We are going to take one of our little spikes, put some hot glue on the end, and we are going to glue it onto our ornament. Now, you're going to have to hold each of the little spikes until the hot glue has had a chance to firm up, but it's not going to take long. And depending upon the size of the ball, you don't want to start with it. Well, you could start with a big, huge one if you'd like, but you can see by the time that we're done, this ball is going to extend out quite large. So starting smaller makes sense. Even then, this one is going to end up being quite big, but I'm okay with that. So, not sure how many I need. Definitely more than I've done so far, but I just want to get a feel for it to start. So we're just going to kind of go around in a circle. This looks like it'll be 5 that go around the top, and then we'll start going down. And I just have to pay attention a little bit to the spacing. I mean, these aren't designed to go around perfectly, so I will need to add a little bit of space in between them, which is why I wanted to have a ball that already had some color on it rather than a clear ornament or something. All right, I'm just going to continue gluing and see how it goes. And there you go. There's our spiky ornament. Now you see what I meant about using like a sparkly ball so that you can see the sparkles in between. You could certainly do these much closer, a lot denser. I started spacing out as I went down because I realized that's going to take a lot of them. That one ornament would be huge, but you could, if you wanted a super big one, maybe a really large tree topper, you could take a big styrofoam ball and instead of cutting these, you could stick them in. Now that's going to take tons, but look at how this catches the light. Look at how it sparkles. So I could go back in and I could start filling in more if I wanted to cut up more. I could leave it as it is if I love it like this, but a super cute, cool little ornament made from old ornaments that I thrifted. Not bad. Let me know what you think of this one. Looking forward to seeing you on more of the other. Hopefully you're catching a lot of the 30 days of these different ideas. Looking forward to your comments. Until then, take care.